Good afternoon, children. Standard third, subject maths. So, children, today in maths, we are going to start with a new lesson. Name of the lesson, measurement. So, children, let's begin. Length. Tai told Nandu and Sonu to prepare the length of the table. Now, Tai told Nandu and Sonu to measure the length of the table. Nandu, the length of this table is 11 spans of my hand. Sonu, the length of the table measures 12 spans of my hand. Salma, both of you use your hand spans. That's why. Then why is there a differences in your measurement? Tony, are their hand spans equal? Nandu, mine is bigger than Sonu's. That's what caused the problem. Tai, all right. I will give you some paper strips of equal length to both of you. Use them to measure this length. So now Tai gives them the strips to measure the length of the table. Nandu, the length of the table is 9 of these strips. Sonu, when I measured it, it was 9 strips too. Nandu, the strips you gave us were of equal length. That's why the length of the table measures the same. So children, when Tai give them equal length strip, so when they measure with it, the length of the table comes same, 9. Nandu, yes, let's use the string to measure the distance between the gate posts. Tony, the distance between the gate posts is equal to 3 strings. Tai, it's easier to measure a great distance using something of greater length, and to measure shorter lengths it is easier to use a shorter thing. You have seen that for yourself, haven't you? This scale is 1 meter long. The meter is a standard unit which is used for measuring length. If we divide a meter into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centimeter. So children, you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now you can see over here the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 written beside the bigger markings on this ruler show centimeters. Between two big markings there are smaller markings. They show units of length smaller than centimeters. Meter and centimeter. A meter is 100 times as long as centimeter. We use the standard unit meter to measure bigger distance. Now this is a meter scale. Now children, let's see measurement weight, that is mass. Sonu, the weight of this ball is 17 marbles. Nandu, the same ball weighs 10 of my marbles. So children, instead of marbles, we will use a standard unit, standard weight to measure it. If something is weighed using standard weights, it measures the same no matter who does the weighting. The kilogram is a standard unit for measuring weight. I want 1 kilogram of sugar. I want 5 kilograms of wheat. Please give me 2 kilograms of jawar. So children, when we go to a shop, we ask the things in kilograms and grams. Thank you, children.